I personally love to write, and that's the only time I buy myself books and pencils and things like that. Now I'll make sure that I go and check out some of their stuff. But I, like she said, I've really gone through all the things, and it does make me a bit nostalgic where I go back in my childhood. And I wish we really had these funky things back then. You know, all the things that are available now for kids. Back then for us, it wasn't so funky to be studying and to be doing cool things in the office. But I still can manage. I'm going back to New York Film Academy, and that's when I can, you know, some of this stuff I can really use. But I'd like to wish them all the best, and making work, making places like office, school, and the girls and boys who function from home, small businesses. They make it very, very glamorous for everyone. So congratulations to them. Thank you. मुझे ये बहुत क्लियरली याद है, और कई बार मैं अपनी बहन के साथ डिस्कस भी करती हूँ कि जब मैं छोटी थी तो मुझे बुक्स से बहुत प्यार था और बहुत लगाव था, अभी भी है. और जैसे बुक्स के पेजेस स्मेल करते हैं नए बुक्स के, तो आई यूज़ टू स्मेल इट फॉर आवर्स. और फिर मुझे अभी भी याद है जब पहले दिन मैं स्कूल जाती थी, यानी यूज़ टू गेट न्यू बुक्स. जब मैं छोटी सी थी, 3-4 साल की, तो मुझे लगता था सिर्फ मुझे ही मिले हैं ये बुक्स और किसी को नहीं मिले हैं. सिर्फ मैं ही 3rd स्टैंडर्ड में हुई हूँ या 2nd स्टैंडर्ड में, और कोई नहीं हुआ है. And every time I used to go to class and open my new books and see everyone have new books, I used to cry. Okay, everyone is in 3rd standard now. So my teacher used to ask me, why are you crying? So I never used to tell anyone, but I used to really feel hurt. Okay, everyone has new pencils and new books. I am inclined to doing one kind of characters. If you see, I've done everything from playing a superwoman to a woman who's been very, very unsure of herself, to playing a traditional role in Tanu Veds Manu, then to playing a supermodel. Then now I am doing something which is very exciting called Revolver Rani. This character is actually a character of a neurotic, and the woman who we are going to see, and the film that we are going to see is very, very exciting. Just like Ved Prakash Sharma's novels on, you know, like those small railway stations that you see, that's the kind of treatment that film is carrying. It's very exciting. It's total pulp. Woman is neurotic, negative, brutal, and very exciting. Very, very different than Queen. I'm very excited about that as well. This is just a coincidence. In fact, the next film that Vidya was doing before me is also Durga Rani Singh, and Vidya couldn't do it for some reason, so I become Rani there also.